Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental control on Realme Narzo N61. So you have to start by opening your settings application, and then you have to scroll down and click on Google. Now click on all services, and then you have to find parental controls and click on let's do this. Then click sign in and click on use pattern. Now you have to enter your lock screen pattern. And here you have to enter your child email address. Then click next. And now you have to enter your child password. Now click I agree. Then click accept. And click on supervise. Then click next. And here you have to enter your parent email address. And now you have to scroll all the way down, and here you have to enter your parent password. Now you have to click next. Then click allow. And you have to scroll down and click next. Now click done. And as you can see, my parental controls are set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.